What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to apply blocks into your WordPress navigation menu. For example, imagine that we would like to apply the button block into this WordPress navigation menu to have a button, a call to action, for example, sign up, purchase, buy now, something like this. How to do this for free is what I'm gonna learn to this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard on the browser address bar, enter with your domain plus WP admin, enter with login credentials, and after you're going to be able to see a page almost like this one. Review the left sidebar of menus, hover a mouse over appearance and hit the submenu edit, editor. Wait while the page loads. Once again into the left sidebar of menus, go to navigation, find these three little dots and click on edit. This is gonna open your navigation menu, the menu that you can see right here into the upper right corner of your site with the pages so you can navigate. If you review and click right here into any part, you're gonna be able to see a plus button. Click on it. Then you're gonna be able to find two options. Create page, you can add the previously made page or search for URL, or add a block. I'm gonna add a block. And right here we have a couple of blocks to play with. You have search, product search, buttons, custom link. Imagine that you would like to apply a button into your menu. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can enter your button title. For example, you can enter a link for your button, just like this. You can edit the button in the case that you want. There is a couple of options right here, okay? Line, alignment, and other features. If you click into the button, you're gonna be able to see this block option right here. You can change the size of the button. You can change the colors, text, background color, the typography size, the padding, the border, the radius, and other things like this in the case that you want, but all is up to you, okay? No radio, some radio, all up to you. After doing your changes, all you have to do is review the upper right corner of your screen and hit the save change button and you are good to go. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!